Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. Next, we will go to another problem in the same section 3, problem number 8. The problem is the Cartesian equation of the sides BC, CA and AB of a triangle are respectively UR is identical equal to ARX plus BRY plus CR equal to 0 where R equal to 1, 2, 3. Show that the equation of the straight line passing through the point A and bisecting the side BC is u3 by a3b1 minus a1b3 equal to u2 by a2b1 minus a1b2. This is our required problem. In this problem we have to given the equations of a sides. That means Cartesian equations means UR is the Cartesian equation where R varies, then the equation also varies. The BC side is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. CA is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. And similarly, AB line is or AB side equation is a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to 0. Then we have to show this line equation. Then for that solution, given equations of sides are BC side equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And CA side equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. And AB side equation is a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to 0. This is equation number 3. This is a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Then BC, this is first equation. CA, this is second equation, and this is third equation. Now we have to show that the line passes through the point A and bisecting the side BC is this. If a line passes through A means the point of intersection of equations or lines 2 and 3. This is U1, U2, U3. Then in the same method of the previous problem, the equation of straight line passes through A means point of intersection of equations 2 and 3, that is U2 and U3. Then that line equation is if k is any real number and the point of intersection of a line which is passes through the point of intersection of lines 2 and 3 is u2 plus k into u3 is equal to 0. This is equation number 4. Let it be. Here u2 means a2x plus b2y plus c2 plus k into a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0. After multiplication, a2x plus b2y plus c2 plus k a3x plus k b3y plus k into c3 equal to 0. Here separate the x and y and constant terms. A2 plus KA3 into x plus B2 plus KB3 into y plus C2 plus KC3 is equal to 0. This is the straight line equation. This straight line is passes through a point A. Let this straight line is also parallel to the line or side, parallel to the side BC. Let it be BC. That means we have to given in problem the equation of straight line passes through point A and is bisecting the side BC is the required line. For that we have to assume that equation 4 and equation 1 are parallel to each other, then we know that any two lines are parallel to each other, then their slopes are also equal. That means if the slope of equation 1 is, let it be m1 is equal to minus a1 by b1. In the same way, the slope of equation 4 is not this is and also this also. Then because this is the derivation of the above equation, then m2 equal to minus of a2 plus ka3 by b2 plus kb3. If we know that equation 1 parallel to equation 4, then that is m1 equal to, their slopes are equal, that means m1 equal to m2. m1 means minus a1 by b1 is equal to minus of a2 plus ka3 by b2 plus kb3. Here minus get cancelled. After cross multiplication, a1 into b2 plus kb3 is equal to b1 into a2 plus ka3. a1 b2 plus kb3 a1 a2 b1 plus k a3 b1. Then take similar terms, a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equal to k a3 b1 minus k a1 b3. From this, a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equal to k into, here we take minus k common, a1 b3 minus a3 b1. From this, k equal to, finally we find our k value, k equal to minus of a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 b3 minus a3 b1. We have to substitute this k value into equation 4. Then finally we get the required straight line equation. Then substitute k value in equation 4. Equation 4. That means 4 implies fourth equation is u2 plus ku3 equal to 0. This is the fourth equation. Then u2 plus k value is minus of a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a3 b1 minus a1 b3 minus a3 b1 into u3 equal to 0. Take all values in other side. Then u2 equal to a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 b3 minus a3 b1 into u3. Then, but in problem we have to assume, that means u2 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equal to u3 by a1 b3 minus a3 b1. Then here we have to take minus as common for the given solution. a2 by minus of a2 b1 minus a1 b2 is equal to u3 by also minus of a3 b1 minus a1 b3. Here minus minus get cancelled. Then u2 by a2 b1 minus a1 b2 is equal to u3 by a3 b1 minus a1 b3. Then interchanging u3 by a3 b1 minus a1 b3 is equal to u2 by a2 b1 minus a1 b2. This is the solution of the required problem. In this straight line we have the all problems are important. In straight line chapter, in exam pattern we have to face in exam 2 marks also given, 4 marks problems also given, and also 7 marks also given. In total maths B, highest marks gain chapter is the straight line. Highest marks gain chapter is the straight line. From straight line chapter, in the exam, in a final public exam, we have 2 marks problems are given, 4 marks problems are given, 7 marks problems are also given. Then this is the main chapter in the maths B. That's all. Thank you.
Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.